Hello everybody, this video review is for Belanko 2.7 Quart Whistling Tea Kettle. The color is milk white. I love the combination of these two colors, the wooden color and white color. The quality is very nice and it looks very stylish. It's rust and corrosion resistant and heats up quickly. It is easy to clean and it has a loud whistling sound. The handle is anti-heat and with simple touch button. And the inside very nice as well. If you have any question, you can check the link in this video description or you can comment it below. Thank you so much for watching this video review.